So we have this trail representing the knife's edge on Katahdin. We would like to know the elevation gained and lost as a person walks along that trail. To do that, we need to install the Profile Tool plugin. Under Plugins, Manage and Install Plugins. Under All here, search Profile Tool, select Install Plugin. When that finishes, you'll see the new tool is added to the toolbar here. Close, click once to open that tool. Let's expand this a little bit, just drag that upwards here. We want to select the elevation model here and add that layer. Now the default is to use a temporary polyline. Say I want to go from point A to point B. That is the elevation gained and lost. Fall down the mountain and then you climb back up it, and there you are. We can use the pan tool to sort of reset that, move around. There you are. But what if I want to know for this line that I've created already? I can change the selection to selected layer and then select that layer. You see how it's been highlighted here. And you can see the red dot moving along here. So I go up, down, up, down, up, down, and then a lot of up, and then more across there, up to Baxter Peak. So at the beginning, you're sort of going up and over that, up and down, up and down, up and down over that sort of sawtooth pattern, then it's pretty clear up and much less steep and treacherous. Looking at it from the other end, you can see how it sort of goes down and then back up to here. And the view here. So there's Pomola Peak, there's the knife's edge coming across here, and then it's more or less a straight shot up to Baxter Peak. Chimney Pond here, and that is not a shortcut. In any case, you see how it's tricky to get a line to follow that exactly and hit those highest points. If you're off by the tiniest bit, your viewshed analysis is going to be blocked by one of those ridges. And that's totally okay, just do your best with it. So back to the GIS, the first photo was taken here, the second one about here, and same for the third. So after that, you're going up, 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 and then more or less flat for the last bit. But say you decide to take a shortcut, don't do that. But let's go ahead into our profile tool, add in our elevation model, use a temporary polyline, say we do something tremendously foolish, and just pop straight down there. Hey, it's a pretty straight shot, right? Right? Well, let's try looking at slope percent, and yeah, we're going negative 600% slope, up to 0 here, going back up a little bit, and then all the way down here to negative 702% slope. No. That means you go 10 feet forward and 70 feet down. And that's why we don't do that. Let's try this little chute here. So click, click, click. And again, we're looking at slope, not actual elevation profile. But down we go. I hope this isn't giving anybody any good ideas. And as always, double click to finish. So yeah, that looks like about what your heart would be doing as you go down there, but we're sort of peaking here at 750% slope. So all in all, another tremendously bad idea. Of course, if you are a technical climber with all the gear and permits, etc., you do you. But if you are not, oh well, let's see. 1,291% slope, and you see how it's positive because I went from here to here, as opposed from here to here. So, yeah, that's a steep spot there. And yeah, to get 1 foot forward, you gotta go 12.9 feet up. I'll leave that one to the technical climbers. Good luck.